여러분, 알고리즘이 미쳤습니다. 제가 이전 영상에서 영어로 생각하기 위해서는 번역하는 과정이 필요하다고 하는 댓글을 제가 보여드렸잖아요. 근데 그 알고리즘으로 Think in English, not translating in your head for exercises for English fluency 라고 하는 영상이 알고리즘으로 뜨게 되었습니다. 그 밑에 가장 인기 있는 댓글을 읽어드려 볼게요. Stop translation is impossible and unrealistic for English learners at the very beginning. So the first response coming up to them definitely is their native language when they speak in English. That's the way how the brain works and is the instinct. Can you behave out of your instinct and tell your brain not to do that? Just say to it, dear brain, please do not make translation. I think you cannot. You can think in English just because you are a native speaker and that's how your brain works. And actually there's no such a thing of thinking in English. 이 밑에 댓글이 61개가 달렸어요. Yes, that's very true. I agree what you said, bro. I really don't know how can these English native teachers understand that it's not easy and it's definitely impossible as you mentioned to think in English. You're right. But I do not agree with that. You say there is no such thing as thinking in English. With conscious effort and years of practice, I can think in English. You can only think in English at the intermediate level because at the beginner level, translating words is the only first approach. 영어를 영어로 받아들여야 된다 말아야 된다 의견이 분분한데 제가
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young
47분 정도가 걸렸습니다.
as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop. Every shot from the top.
Is used to this system of translating everything every single time. So that's even that important. What is important is I was dreaming in English and I was so happy about that. But now I realize that it is not that important. What really
Now the morning is the afternoon.
to talk to you about thinking English. How I managed to think in English. Because justly, it's the first time you've been passive exercise. I know it might seem kind of weird talking to yourself.
We wanna chase the night, wanna dance
I can tell you that.
pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running.
Hello guys, welcome to my new video. So in this video, I want to talk about thinking in English. I was really happy back then, but now I really think that it's not even that important. What is important here is that sometimes you want to think in English and sometimes you want to feel like, okay, all my thoughts are in my native language. But what if one day I'll be able to think in English? What I can tell you here is that it is possible. You know, one day you sleep and then you have a dream in English. And to be honest, I only had it once. I was actually, dreaming in English, and I was really happy back then. But now I realize it's not even that important.
The moonlights, summer sky, it was the best we ever had. And we'll stay on forever. We'll never have regrets.
Hello guys, welcome to my new video. So in this video, I wanted to talk about thinking in English, and I think for a lot of language learners, it's kind of like a dream to dream in English. One day you sleep and then you have a dream in English. And honestly, to be honest, I only had it once. I was actually dreaming in English, and I was so happy after that. But now I realize it's not even that important. What is important here is that sometimes you want to think in English, and sometimes you want to, be like, okay, all my thoughts are in my native language. But what if one day I'll be able to speak and I'll be able to think in English? What I can tell you here is that it is possible. 이분도 말씀하시는 게 초보자일 때는 영어를 영어로 받아들이는 것이 힘들다. 하지만 우리가 중급자로 넘어갔을 때는 영어를 영어로 받아들이는 게 가능해진다. 저도 같이 동의하는 바이고요. 예전에 10년 전까지만 해도 영어를 영어로 받아들여야 된다는 의견이 지배적이었어요. 제가 지금 말씀드릴 수 있는 건 영어라는 것을 영어로 받아들이기 위해서는 우리가 중급자로 넘어가야 되는데 이 중급자로 넘어가기 전 초보자의 단계였을 때 영어를 아무리 듣고 아무리 따라 말해도 영어를 이해할 수 없었을 때 때 가장 효과적이었던 방법은 그 영어 문장 자체를 문장의 단위로 한국어로 바꿔보는 스스로 이해하는 과정이었습니다. 한국어를 개입한다고 해서 끝까지 한국어로 생각해야 되느냐? 그건 아니거든요. 영어를 한국어로 바꿔보는 과정 자체가 제가 리스닝과 리딩이라고 말씀드렸잖아요. 그렇기 때문에 제가 여기서 나오는 문장들을 내가 한국어로 번역할 수 있는 것이고, 마찬가지로 이렇게 영어 문장을 보고 내가 이해할 수 있는 이유도 내가 스스로 번역이 가능하기 때문입니다. 우리가 이것을 스피킹으로 넘어가기 위해서는 이 한국어 문장을 보면서 영어로 다시 만들어내는 그런 과정이 필요한데, 그 과정을 하기 위해서는 어느 정도 암기가 필요하다는 겁니다. 그래서 암기가 쉬워지기 위해서 많이 듣기와 따라 말하기. 그렇기 때문에 제가 초보자였을 때 많이 듣기와 따라 말하기가 효과가 없었던 이유는 영어를 이해하지 못해서 그렇다.
So today I wanted to talk about
Seen
speaking
a
English.
lot of
So, a lot of you guys
change,
wanted to know
been through
how I
a
managed
lot
to
of
speak English. I think for a lot of language
Some
learners,
things
it's
are
kind of like
not
a
the
dream, to dream in
same
English.
as they
You know,
were
one
a
day
year
you sleep and then you have a dream in English. And to be
I'll
honest, I've
be
only heard it once,
okay.
and I was
I
actually in a
move
dream
on
in
each and
English. I
every
was so happy after
day.
that. But
The
now I
past
realize
is
that
where
it's
it
not that important. What is
stays.
important here is
Way
sometimes
back
you
a
wanna
year
speak in English, sometimes
ago.
you're like, okay, all of my thoughts are in
I've
my
changed
language.
for
But
the
one thing
better this
what I
time.
can tell you here is that it is possible. But honestly, it
I
requires
thought I would never be fine.
we're going to talk about thinking in English.
I strive just to say I'm alright. And for the first time in a long time, I'm alright. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago.
So today I wanted to talk about thinking in
I'll
English.
be
A lot of you guys wanted to know
okay.
how
I
I managed
move
to
on
think
each
in
and
English.
every
So,
day.
for a lot of language learners,
The past is where it
dream
stays.
in English.
Way back
One
a
day
year
you sleep
ago.
and then you wake up and dream in English.
I ain't going back, I'm not falling. I'll push all my chips and call all in. I'll bet on myself, you keep stalling. I hear destiny and it's calling. I'll keep my head up high through the downs and lows. And we're all going in life, still nobody knows. But I'ma choose what's right and take what comes and goes. And ain't no one in life holding me back no more. I've seen a lot of change.
한국어가 개입된다고 해서 영어를 영어로 받아들일 수 없는 것이 아니고, 한국어 개입을 통해서 우리가 영어를 좀 더 빠르게 머릿속에 집어넣을 수 있습니다. 한번 집어넣은 문장들을 내가 말을 할 때 무의식적으로 활용할 수 있게 된다는 겁니다. 그러면은 다음 영상에서 뵙도록 하겠습니다. Let's English 2 times a day.
Way back a year ago.